एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम करेंगे 15 मिनट्स योगा फ्लो। अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है तो आप 15 मिनट तो अपनी सेहत के लिए निकाल ही सकते हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन। स्टार्ट इन स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर। अपने पैरों में थोड़ा गैप करें, इक्वल टू योर शोल्डर, और यहाँ पे सांस भरते हुए अपनी गर्दन को ऊपर करें। एक्सेल डाउन, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now neck round with breathe. Inhale round, reverse, reverse, round, exhale. Inhale, round, exhale. Inhale, round, exhale. Now shoulder rotation. 1. Inhale, round, exhale. Round, exhale. Reverse, round, exhale. नाउ दोनों हाथ अपनी शोल्डर पे रखेंगे एंड शोल्डर रोटेशन। इनहेल, राउंड, एक्सेल। पूरा घुमाएं शोल्डर अच्छे से। रिवर्स, यहीं से रिवर्स करें। अब धीरे से अपने हाथों को आउटसाइड खोलते हुए घुमाएं। 2, 5 to 10 times. Rotate your hands. Reverse. नाउ दोनों पैरों में थोड़ा सा गैप करें। दोनों हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाएं। दोनों हाथों को स्ट्रेच करते हुए राइट साइड डाउन जाएं। कुछ देर यहाँ पे रुके। नॉर्मल इनहेल, एक्सेल। ब्रीथ इन, अप। Now breathe, exhale, go opposite side down. Look up. Normal breathe in, breathe out. धीरे से दोनों हाथों को रिलैक्स पोजीशन में लाएं। Now दोनों पैरों में थोड़ा सा और गैप करेंगे। हाँ, Again, both hand outside open. अपने राइट टो को आउटसाइड ओपन करें एंड देन राइट हैंड को स्लोली डाउन एज मच एज यू कैन, डाउन थ्रू कोनासन, एंड देन ट्राई टू सी अप, लुक अप. Stay here. Feel stretch on your hamstring, twisting in your spine. Now breathe, inhale. Both hand up, turn your spine from right side, and then slow down, forward. Look front, try to stretch your hamstring. Again, breathe, inhale, both hand up, open your hands outside. Now turn your left toe outside. And then slow down in Trikonasana. Stretch your hamstring. Now slow, breathe, inhale, both hands up, turn your spine left side and slow down forward. Stay here, look front. Stretch your hamstring and leg, also spine. Again, slow come back. Now both hands outside open, relax your hands. Now breathe, inhale, again both hands up. Exhale, finger interlock your hands. Down at 90 degree. Exhale, open your hands, try to hold your both ankle and look front. Keep arching back. Now breathe, inhale, both hands up. Again, open your right toe outside. Turn your spine from right side. Now bend your right knee from here and then finger interlock your hands. Stay here. Now both hands down. Straight your right leg. Again, try to stretch, try to touch your forehead on your knee. Again, breathe, inhale, slowly both hands up. Now turn your left toe. Bend your left knee at 90 degree. Stay here. Now slowly straight your leg and both hands down. Try to touch your forehead on your knee. And slowly come back. Now breathe, inhale, both hands up. Exhale, try to down your both elbow on the ground if possible. Now one by one, hand outside open. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Now slowly come back. Now both legs close. Now please sit down. Sit in Vajrasana. Now both hands take back side. Slowly, finger interlock your hands and exhale down forward. Stretch your hands, shoulder. Slow come back. Now one by one, legs straight. Now toes in and out. Breathe, inhale, inside stretch. Breathe, exhale, toes outside stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now left heel put down on your right thigh and slowly breathe, inhale, both hands up, exhale down forward. Try to hold your heel if possible for you. Try to down your forehead. Otherwise, look front, stay here. Slowly come back. Relax your left leg. Now bend your right heel. Put your right heel on your left thigh. Again, breathe, inhale, both hands up, exhale, slow down forward. Look front. Now slowly, both legs relax. Shake your leg. Now both legs straight. Breathe, inhale. Both hands up. Exhale, slow down forward. look front, stay here, keep arching back, try to straight your leg and stay here. Relax. Now sit in Sukhasana. Now normal twisting in your spine. Another side. Breathe, inhale, both hand up. Hold your left knee with right hand, left hand upside down. Stay here, look up, stretch your side. Now breathe, inhale, slowly come back. Put your left hand on your right knee, right hand upside down, look up. Slow come back, sit in Sukhasana. Now both hand in Gyan Mudra. Slow deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Breath, inhale from nose. Exhale from mouth. Breath, inhale from nose. Exhale from mouth. ब्राह्मरी प्राणायाम करेंगे. रिलैक्स, दोनों हाथ ज्ञान मुद्रा में. नाउ ओपन योर आईज. ये था हमारा 15 मिनट्स योगा फ्लो जो आपको एवरी डे करना चाहिए. अपनी हेल्थ के लिए 15 मिनट सब निकाल सकते हैं एंड प्लीज़ निकालिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.